Hi guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing this Eid special glam makeup look. As a lot of you have requested for a detailed Eid makeup look, so here it is. So let's get started. I have already washed and moisturized my skin. Now I will apply the primer from Sugar Cosmetics and will apply it all over my face. As it's Eid, so thought to make this look extra glowy, which I love when it comes to any occasion. After that, I'm gonna apply the foundation from Colorbar Cosmetics and adding the NYX Illuminator to the foundation to get a glowy base. If you apply Illuminator before foundation or with the foundation, the base turns out very glowy and healthy looking. Also, let me know in the comment section, what are you, a matte or a glowy person? Depending on the occasion, I actually love both. And as I have always said that make sure you have followed the skin prep routine well, otherwise your base will always look cakey and won't last long. I have blended the foundation with the help of this brush in dabbing and pressing motion and see how flawless the base is looking. Today I'm planning to do a cream contour which I most of the time avoid, but recently I'm just loving it without any reason. This LA Girl Pro Concealer is probably the best of all drugstore concealers. So I'm contouring my cheekbones, my broad forehead and then my jawlines, my nose, and applied the cream contour under my lower lip as well, so that it gives nothing but a fuller look to the lips. I have just blended everything well. You don't need to be seamless here, as after that we will apply the concealer also, so that time will make everything look seamless. For highlighting, I'm gonna use today this Miss Clear concealer and have applied it on my chin, around the mouth area, on my cupid bow, and then on the bridge of my nose, on the forehead, mostly on the high points of my face. And lastly, under my eye areas, I don't use any eye primer. I apply the same concealer on my eyelids as well to make the base for my eyeshadow. And blending everything seamlessly, I'm doing nothing but just creating some shadows and lights using the concealers on my face so that it doesn't just look flat after foundation application. As I have said, I want some extra glow as usual. So I'm applying some liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution now, and with the help of a beauty blender, I'm applying it on the top of my cheekbones and on the eyebrow bones, next on the forehead, on my chin, and on the bridge of my nose as well. Make sure you blend the liquid highlighter well, otherwise it just gets stuck at one place. Once I'm done with my concealer, it's time to set the concealer now. And for that, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, my all-time favorite. I won't apply too much powder today, just at the places where my skin tends to get oily and under the eye areas only. Next, I will apply the contour powder just to set my cream contour. I'm taking very less amount of the powder and applying it very light-handedly wherever I have applied my cream contour. If you are not a contour person, just avoid both cream and powder contour and apply the bronzer only, just to give to your face a warm touch. For powder highlighter, I am using today this Molten Gold shade from Maybelline and applying it wherever I have applied the liquid highlighter. So yeah, this is the ultimate glam I wanted for this Eid look. Now I will do my eyebrows off camera and will get back to you guys in a bit. Once the eyebrow is done, I will start my eye makeup using Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette. First, I am applying this rusty orange shade on the outer corner of my eyelid and blending it well. Next, applying the same shade on my crease area and blending it in circular motion light-handedly and dragging it above the crease area also. Next, I'm gonna take a deep brown eyeshadow and will apply it very carefully on the outer corner of my eyelid. I will apply this shade till my crease area won't go above it. Next, I'm placing this same shade from the outer corner to the brow bone like the sign of slash and creating a lesser than like sign. Then applying a yellow eyeshadow on the leftover eyelid and blending it with the rust color in the crease area. Next, I'm gonna apply this liquid eyeshadow from Miss Clear on the top of my eyelid and placing it with the help of my finger only. For the waterline, I'm applying some Kajal from Forever 52 and on the lower eyelid applying the brown eyeshadow and blending it and then again applying the same rust color to blend the edges of the brown eyeshadow to give a seamless look to the eye. Now, once it's done, I'm applying some mascara from Maybelline for my eyelashes. After that, I'm highlighting my inner corners of the eyes as well using the same gold shade from Maybelline. Now everything is done, so we'll apply the lipstick only using this beautiful mauve shade from Bellora Cosmetics and applying it with the applicator which comes with the lipstick. The whole look is complete now. So for setting everything in place and for locking my base for longer time, I'm spraying some makeup fixer from Faces Canada and applying it except the eye areas. So here comes the fun part. I don't know if you guys have observed it or not. I simply forgot to apply the blush today. Oh my god. The makeup is all done and now I am realizing, so applying just a little bit of blush from Nykaa Cosmetics. So coming back, putting on some jewelry and an outfit. So here it is. You can see the glow which I wanted for this Eid look. It totally depends on my mood. Sometimes I get addicted to glowy base. Sometimes I try to make it all matte. I hope you guys will love this glow. If not the situation, at least let your makeup glow like a bright positive day. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, whoever is new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon must. And everyone, please like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.